Students, take 3 on this amazing, very short video. We didn't get to this question, so let's get to it now. The last question on your notes, which is, give me 5 characteristics of a Republican form of government. Here they are. Citizens possess the power. Okay? Citizens, one of the ways that citizens wield that power is by voting. They vote in regular elections, and that's not the opposite of weird elections. Regular meaning regularly scheduled elections. So it's cool that in America we know when the 2024 presidential election will be. If I had a calendar, I could tell you the exact date, but we know that it will be in November, the first Tuesday after the first Monday in November. We know that. We take that for granted. We assume that's the way it is everywhere in the world. It's not. In America it is, but in other countries you might have a dictator, somebody who's very power hungry, outside the rule of law, where you have, where that guy says, oh, if there's an election, the people aren't going to re-elect me, so I'll just postpone this election a few months, a year, 5 years. And they do that. People have talked about that happening this year with the pandemic. We'll see what happens. Undoubtedly, it will be best for the country if we have the election as scheduled. That's best for the country. So citizens vote in regular elections. The representatives, the politicians, serve the people, serve their constituents, serve the voters. And last, and you might say, this one's kind of laughable, the representatives are not above the law. What that means is, just like you and me, normal citizens, have to obey the law, and if we break the law, we go to jail, we get punished. The idea is that the same is true of our politicians. We know that that's not always the way things work out, but according to the textbook, according to the definition of Republican government, that's how things work, and in a perfect world, that's the way things go. So I hope this is helpful. I hope this makes sense. Sorry we didn't get to it in class, but you guys ask good questions, and I can't tell you, hey, stop asking good questions. It's the weird teacher thing in me that I just can't stop good questions. So keep asking questions. Have a great weekend. Bye.